Hello everyone, this is Kat. I was going to say I might have a problem. I've made a gnome army. I don't know if they're going to attack in the night or not. Let's hope not. Maybe they'll finish some of my projects. But I started making them and then I just made all different kinds. I have 4 different kinds of clay here. And I have the box hat. I put some nichrome wires on the top. They have different size noses, different size bodies. Let's see if I can find. There's my little pregnant couple right there. I've got a bombshell here. I even have a beatnik somewhere in here. Made a gnome beatnik. Oh, there he is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I made them, although almost everybody probably knows how. But I've got a little bit more B3 clay. I have T-Mix 6, which comes from Trinity. And I have Buffalo Wallow. I only have a couple. I have 4 of them. I have 4 right there. I have Speckled Buff from Laguna, and I have B3 from Laguna. So 4 different kinds of clay. They're kind of my test pieces just to see what they fire out to. Anyway, I'll be right back and I will show you how I make these. Hey, is it on? You can talk, it's okay. My husband is being a wonderful filmer. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I am just wedging up a little bit of B3 clay. Making these little gnomies. This was my first B3 experience. So I've got a few of the darker. I know he's a B3. Oh, I've got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I can make a little gnome. I've just got a ball. How much? It's a ball. I'm making a ball. I found out B3 stains your hands. So basically I stick my thumb in it. I'm making a pinch pot. There's all different kinds of ways to do these. I even got carried away, and I'll bring the general in just a minute for you to see. I can't believe I forgot the general. So I'm making, kind of getting it even through here. I'm making a divot in the middle. Tapping it down. The divot in the middle is going to be the nose coming out. So, making another ball. Then I'm going to smooth it out some. And it depends on how big you want the nose. Some of my gnomes' noses are bigger and some are smaller. Apparently Spam wanted to call us. Oh, Carmel, no. Anyway, I put the nose on here and I am squishing it in. Blending it in. Oh, good grief, Cat. She was outside all nice and pretty, and now here's us talking, so she thinks she's got to be a part of everything. So, there's the nose. I've smeared it on the top. Now I'm going to make a beard. I'm going to make this a guy one. I can do a beard a couple different ways. What I am going to do is I have a garlic press. And so I'm going to use the garlic press. I'm putting the ball of clay in. And I'm pressing it down for his beard. I'm going to make it curly up. You can see. You can also make a slab, a small little tiny slab like I did with this one, and put it on there and carve it at a later time. It's hard to see on the dark, I guess. But anyway, so there's the beard. Now all I got to do is make a hat. This is still a little moist. If it's not moist enough, you can just do that. Squirt, squirt. And then I'm just going to do this again for the hat. What kind of hat should I make? There's so many different styles. I've made all different kinds. Let's just see what it wants to be. These are just little pinch pots, so you don't have to make, they're not, they turn out cute. So I'm making just a little hat here. And I'm going to curl it. I'll curl it, whoop, breaking it. I'm going to curl it around. Okay. Kind of measure. Do I want it angled to the side? Do I want it angled back? Do I want it angled front? Let's go with the front. I'm going to smear this, try to open it up a little bit more, and put it on top, covering the nose. That's cute. Now I'm just kind of tacking it down, getting out some of the wrinkles in the thing, and I'm going to work on this a little bit because it's going to try to have cracks in it. Now I'm going to put in my little nichrome wire. And ta-da! Little Gnome. He doesn't look so bad now. And now I've got 6 of them out of the B3. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Thank you, everybody. Bye.